How to make this. Film yourself swiping your phone, then swipe across the screen as many times as you want. Tap like you're selecting an object, then act as if the object appears directly onto you. Wear one of the Pandora hats and repeat the same action. Take photos of all the Pandora hats you want to use. Import all the photos and your clip into Capcut. Scroll to the part where you lean back the first time, tap split and delete the right clip. Scroll to the second time you lean back, tap split and delete the left clip. Select the first photo, go to Remove BG, Custom Removal, and highlight the hat. Repeat the same process for all the other photos. Now overlay all the photos. Move the first photo to the start of the second layer. Tap the photo, resize it to medium size, and place it below your hand. Scroll to the part where you start swiping, add a keyframe. Move a few frames forward right after the swipe and add another keyframe. Go back to the first keyframe, make the hat very small and place it right on top of your fingers. Move forward again, and right before the swipe, add a keyframe. Then go right after the swipe and drag the hat out of the frame. Grab the second photo and align it with the third keyframe of the first photo. Tap the second photo, resize and position it to match the first hat on screen. Then add keyframes at the start of the second photo. Scrub to the part where the first photo goes out of the frame and add more keyframes. Go back to the start and drag the hat in the opposite direction. Just like before, go to the moment right before your next swipe, tap keyframe, then go to after the swipe and drag the hat out of the frame. Repeat the exact same steps for the rest of the photos. On the last photo, scroll to the part right before you start to lean back and add a keyframe. Go to the split above, make the hat really small and place it right on your head. Export your video. Follow me for more CapCut editing tutorials.